In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a slicer filter in Google Sheets. A slicer filter functions the same way as your filter, but you embed this into your spreadsheet and it becomes an interactive tool that you and your collaborators can use to filter your data. So if you don't want to apply a filter in every column that you have on your spreadsheet, adding a slicer filter would be a better fit. Here's how to do it. So let's go to our menu bar and select Data. Under Filter Views, you'll see Add a Slicer. Click on that, and we have added a slicer which you can reposition, resize, and customize. You can do that on the right side right here. Change the color, text color, background color, title format, the font, and even the font size. So let's go back to our data, select our range. We have our suggested range, which we can just click on, and OK. Now we can choose the column that we want to filter our data with. So let's say we want to filter data by gender, and we just want to select all the male applicants. So let's clear all the selected values and select male. Click on OK. And we've successfully filtered our data with just the male applicants. Now let's say we want to filter our data again by position and just selecting the male applicants for the position of software engineer. We can do that by going back to Data, selecting Add a Slicer again, reposition our slicer up top, resize it, and let's say we want to customize this one, change the background color to a light red. Change our text color to black, and there you have it. Now we can go back to our data, select our range. Again, you can just choose the suggested one, click on OK, and choose your column to filter your data. So we're going to select the position, go back to our slicer, clear all the selected values, and select Software Engineer. Click on OK, and you've successfully filtered your data to all the male applicants applying for the position of Software Engineer. And that's how easy it is to add a slicer filter in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.